Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something that's a little bit different than what I normally do. So today's video, I'm going to be actually trying out Roop Mantra's facial kit. To be honest, I don't really do a lot of facials or cleanups frequently, but whenever I have to go somewhere out or if there's an important function that I have to attend, then I definitely do a cleanup, and that really helps in making sure that my skin is feeling brighter and nicer. I never really tried a kit from a brand per se. My mom actually got the different components that comprise of a facial kit, such as a cleanser, a scrub, a massage gel, and all that good stuff of different brands from Kodaikanal. My Didi, who actually helped me film this video today, she is the one who does it for me. So yeah, I was really excited for today's video because I got to try out an entire kit from a single brand rather than different brands. And Roop Mantra is again an Ayurvedic brand, so I was really excited to see what kind of results it brings forth. So yeah, if you guys are interested to see the entire facial process and how you can do facial at home using this kit, then definitely please keep on watching. So the first step is to apply the Roop Mantra cleansing milk. Now this Roop Mantra's refreshing non-foaming cleansing milk is enriched with the goodness of cucumber and aloe vera. Roop Mantra cleansing milk penetrates the skin to gently remove skin impurities, and it gives you squeaky clean, healthy and glowing skin. So here my Didi is actually using certain massage techniques that you can use at home by yourself as well, in order to ensure that the product is working well, and at the same time there's enough blood circulation in order to make sure that your skin feels rejuvenated and you get the desired result. Step number 2 is using a face scrub. Now this face scrub is a unique combination of aloe vera extract, grapeseed oil, olive oil, wheat germ oil, which provides nourishment to your skin, and it also contains micro granules that gently exfoliate the skin. Now make sure that you apply sufficient quantity of the scrub to your face, and you can also apply it under your neck. Leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes if you like, or you can also massage it in upward direction and in circular motions for 4 to 5 minutes. The third step is to apply the massage gel. Now Roop Mantra's massage gel lightens and brightens the complexion. It contains skin brightening extracts of orange and papaya, which help to fade away skin pigmentation and even out skin tone. This particular gel is suitable for all skin types. Make sure when you're applying this, the skin is dry. Massage it very well for 5 minutes. Avoid the eyes and the mouth area. Step 4 is to apply a face pack. Now Roop Mantra's face pack is enriched with aloe vera extract and Fasli Gulab, which help to open up clogged pores, even out skin tone and complexion. It also helps to remove suntan and prevent early signs of aging. Apply a thick layer of the pack on cleansed face and neck. Avoid the mouth and eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Or you can also do what I did. I basically went ahead with the same massage techniques that were used earlier. The reason that I did this was because I did not have a lot of time on hand, and I just had to quickly wrap this up because I had a flight to catch at that particular day. So instead of waiting, I just thought of doing the same techniques that were used earlier, just so that I get the goodness of the mask, and at the same time we're able to quickly wrap everything up. However, I would ideally suggest that you follow the directions given in the pack and by the company itself. So yeah, you should ideally keep the face pack on for 15 to 20 minutes, let it dry as normal, and then rinse it off. the fifth step is to apply the Roop Mantra's nourishing cream. Now this cream, as the name suggests, is super duper nourishing. It is a complete nutritive care for dull, dry and lifeless skin. It stimulates blood circulation and natural cell renewal process and deeply conditions the skin, therefore making the skin surface soft, smooth and supple. Now you have to apply sufficient quantity of the cream on the face and neck. You're supposed to massage it in circular and upward motion. Continue doing this for 10 to 15 good minutes as the open pores gets nourished and filled with nourishing oil that is present in the particular cream. There is an optional sixth step that's present to this procedure, and that is bleach. Now again, like I mentioned, it's optional. The bleach is supposed to lighten facial hair and it helps in brightening the skin tone. So make sure that you do a patch test on the arm before using the product on the face. Now all of the directions and everything pertaining to using the bleach is on the package. So make sure that you read the directions well and follow the steps very accurately. And if any irritation occurs, wash immediately. So yeah, you guys, this is how you can actually do an entire facial / cleanup at home by yourself. So now overall thoughts. Now this is how it looks like. This is the packaging. This is for 925 rupees. You get 5 different steps and all of them are in a bottle, and the products are 40 ml or 40 grams each depending on obviously the type of the product. It has definitely become more smoother, like the texture feels really good. And I don't think you can even see my pores around here. Usually I have pores at this area, around this area, but it's not visible. So it has really helped in kind of refining that section as well. The only problem I had was with the face pack. For some reason it gave me a real burning sensation which was terrible. You're supposed to put that for 15 to 20 minutes. However, I got rid of it in 1 minute itself because it was so tingly and it just felt really weird. It was literally burning my skin, so I couldn't stand that, and so I got rid of it. But apart from that, the other products are really good, especially the massage gel that smells like oranges. I enjoy that scent, so I really like the massage gel. And the nourishing cream is definitely super nourishing. It's a little thick in consistency, and I definitely had to splash water after that. It's not like your thin normal moisturizer. It is a real intense nourishing cream. So that is that. And I didn't use bleach because I don't bleach my face, so yeah, that's an option. You can choose to bleach, and if you don't want to, you can just skip that step. So yeah, I think it's totally worth the price. 925 rupees for all of these different bottles. You're not getting sachets, you're getting bottles, and you can definitely use this for more than a few months depending on how frequently you use the product. So far I've really enjoyed this. Let me know how you guys like my skin. I just feel so nice and happy because yeah, this is like my skin doing its happy dance. It is really calm, and the skin texture is just amazing. Like I can feel it right now, you guys. It feels really good. I just felt so nice, and it feels so amazing when somebody else is doing facial and things rather than you doing it yourself. Although you can definitely do this yourself. The box actually has all of the details at the back that you can follow in order to do a facial at home. This particular product was kindly sent across to me by Roop Mantra's team. As you guys know, my opinions and everything regarding the product stays the same no matter what. And with that being said, this was it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then definitely give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.